delightful, delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Lees, and today I'm going to be making my new favorite salad, which is a fennel and green apple and arugula salad with a homemade lemon vinaigrette. I'm going to start this recipe by toasting some walnuts in this naked pan. By the way, these pans are beautiful. They're all clad and really heavy. My mother was seeing some of my beat up panware on this channel and said that's just NG, and sent me a beautiful 10-piece set of this all-clad stuff. And the set that I already have is 25 years old and still functional, just pretty beat up. I pointed it out in the show how beat up it is. So now I've got a brand new set of this gorgeous stuff, which it feels like a sin even to use it. This is my virgin go with this pan. So it's dry, as you saw. I'm going to break up some walnuts. You could use pecans. You could blow off the nuts altogether into this pan. This is a small salad for probably two. The ratio of what I do in it is also not a certain math. You can do any ratio you prefer. So, all right. There's some crumbled up walnuts. Where's my towel at? Where's my towel? I'll be right back. Towel. Oh my goodness. Okay. So basically, pan over high heat. You don't want them to burn, so I'm going to shovel them around a little bit here like this until they get aromatic and start to brown a little bit. They'll start burning quickly though. While I wait for this to come together, I will talk about something I found. I don't know if I saw it on one of those ads on Instagram or whatever, but it's a nightlight for your toilet, and it's got a little light sensor, motion sensor on it, and you put some batteries in it and you hook it over the porcelain portion of your bathroom toilet, as opposed to your kitchen toilet or your bedroom toilet. And it has a little light thing that goes dangles above the water, and so when you open the bathroom door or you move in a dark room, the toilet light, it illuminates. I'll shoot a little bit and show you. It's fantastic. It works as a really great nightlight when you get up in the night to pee and you don't want to turn the light on and wake yourself up all the way. It just lights up enough so you can see where you're going, especially for you boys out there that are prone to missing the John. It's a great thing. And I think I got two of them for $8.99 on Amazon or whatever, and I'm kind of in love with it. And every friend that I have that comes over here and sees it, it's like, where'd you get that? I want it. So I'll put a link down below for they're super inexpensive and they're really funny. The only thing you have to make sure is that the sensor side is facing out where it will get motion detecting. All right, so this is pretty much done. Take them off the heat so they don't continue to burn on this pan. They're smoking a little bit. You can see the smoke, I think. Just put those aside. I'm going to get rid of this pan right back. Okay, I'm back. The next step is to make the dressing, and of course I have forgotten my lemon squeezer. I'll be right back. Lemon squeezer. All right, I love this salad dressing maker. It's got a little spring in the bottom of it. How you make dressing. I'm all about it. This dressing couldn't be easier. I'm going to squeeze a lemon into this container. That's one lemon. Not all lemons are created equal. Some give more juice than others, but the foolproofness of this recipe is you simply match. That was the juicy side. I love this press, by the way. It's got a little lime size and a bigger lemon size. I'm all about this thing. All right. Now, that's, half an inch, 3/4 of an inch, half an inch of lemon. I'm going to add a little bit less than equal parts olive oil. So whatever amount you got from your lemon, just basically add that much olive oil, or just a little less, so it's more tangy than olive oily. So let's see. That's it. I'm a little bit heavy on the olive oil. Not a problem. If you think you've gone too heavy, add more lemon, which is easy, or just add a drop or two of a nice balsamic, just for a little sweet acid, and then salt and pepper. A little pepper, pinch of salt, and that's the dressing. And the dressing, if you don't use it all for the first time you make your salad, or whatever is left over, it keeps in the fridge. There's that. All right, here's a wonderful thing that I just got it. Bed Bath & Beyond. I bought myself this as a present for no good reason. And it's a mandolin. This is they go from being like $10 or $15 to being at $250, $300. This one I think was $80, $79. And you may or may not know, Bed Bath & Beyond has a membership program now where if you join for $29, you can get 20% off your entire purchase every single time, both online and in the store, for an entire year. I could live at Bed Bath & Beyond. I love it there, and I spend a lot of money there, and I saved $29. I saved more than that in my first purchase. And so I have a whole year ahead of me of savings just for the cost of $29. So I got this for, it was $80, so I guess I got it for what, $64? Right? I shouldn't do math live on camera. It's great because it's got all kinds of protecting things to keep you from cutting your hand off. It does both slicing and dicing. I can do small dice or big dice in 3 different thicknesses of slicing. Just like that. This is a green apple. I already did the rest of it. I'm just showing you how easy that was. These ends that don't, I will cut these by hand. But that's that for the mandolin. And you end up with these really thin slices of apple. I will break these up a bit more so they're not quite so big. I could have diced them, but fuck it. So yeah, I did that already with the other half of the apple. So that's how long it took me to cut up the apple. And I did the same thing, paper thin slicing of a head of fennel. So 1 green apple, 1 head of fennel. I cut the bottom off and didn't use this top part, but I have this is a full bowl. This is a big salad. So this side here is the fennel, this side here is the apple, and all I'm going to do when I'm ready to serve it is put these 2 things in a bowl, add an amount of arugula that I prefer. I like to keep it almost a trio salad, a tricolore perhaps, but it's not even 3 colors, it's just white and green. Equal part apple to fennel to arugula, and then I toss the little toasted walnuts in and dress it. My secret for dressing is to not dress the salad itself, is to dress it on individual plates, because the salad will keep in the fridge if it has not been dressed. It will keep for a day or so. It won't really keep very well with dressing on it. And that is it. That is my recipe for fennel, apple, and arugula salad with toasted walnuts and a homemade lemon vinaigrette. Could it be easier? It was the easiest thing ever. It's so light and crunchy and delicious and good for you. So, yeah, this is my Twitter and Instagram handles. I will link down below in the notes the mandolin I have here and the lemon squeezer and the toilet bowl light. And yeah, until next time, thanks. Please subscribe. Until next time, bye.